Hello, today we will guide you through how to download a recording from Microsoft Teams. In this walkthrough, we'll show you the simple process for finding a recording inside Microsoft Teams and downloading it to your device. If you need to save a meeting recording for offline access, sharing through approved channels, or keeping a local copy for reference, this process is quick and straightforward. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you are on the main Teams interface. You should be viewing the area where your chats and conversations are available. Starting from the correct screen is helpful because the recording we want to download is located within a chat conversation. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Chat. This will take you to your list of chats and direct messages. In Teams, recordings that are shared in conversation threads are often easiest to access from this section, so this is the right place to look if the recording was posted in a chat. Once you are in chat, find the conversation that contains the recording you want to save. In this example, the recording appears in a sample chat. Take a moment to locate the recording message itself. When you have found it, look for the three-dot menu associated with that recording. This menu is sometimes called the More Options menu, and it usually contains actions related to that file or message. Click the three dots on the recording. This will open a small menu with additional options you can use. If you do not immediately see the menu, make sure you are clicking the three dots attached to the recording itself, not the overall chat. From the menu that appears, click Download. After you select Download, Microsoft Teams will begin saving the recording to your computer or device. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you would like to save it. Once the download is complete, it's a good idea to open your Downloads location and confirm that the recording was saved successfully. This can help you make sure the file is available before you close Teams or move on to something else. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a recording from Microsoft Teams by opening Chat, locating the recording, selecting the three-dot menu, and choosing Download. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to complete.